Hi, dear customers. This is Casey from Guangzhou QLQ Company. We have a fair in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City, and our booth number is A07 and A08. The time from tomorrow until 23 December. You're welcome to visit our booth. In our booth, you can see different fancy cooler slider and some finished zipper machine and accessories for different various bags. And this is our company introduced. You can see our team and the showroom and our factory, different workshop. Also some photo about our after sales service. And now let's see about here. You can see many different long chain. Let me introduce our superstar for you in here. Okay, this is our nylon zipper with the elastic zipper taper, and this is a metal zipper with elastic zipper taper. Okay, and we also have a plastic zipper with the elastic zipper taper. Here is the double chain nylon zipper, which we can see anti-silver. It's the second generation. This is the first generation with the two chain, one side with one chain. But this one is very special. One side with two monofilament chain. We make it out in April this year. Very new, very good products. Here you can see different nylon zipper, plastic zipper with shining feel. And here I want to introduce our superstar machine in this year, cold foaming machine and the whitest stamping machine. For our whitest stamping machine, you can stamp the zipper with the stainless steel material and the glass material and the aluminum material. Very important machine for you. If you want to get more details, you are welcome to contact us. And some machines to make the slider, button, buckle, and some back accessory. So, my friend, if you are interested for some machines, molds, and the materials to make the zipper, slider, and the buttons, you are welcome to contact us. And welcome to our